Hi, I'm Nick Moore and welcome to the socially distanced Kramer training room. With me is my colleague Mark Collins and we're going to look today at the VIA GO2. Now the VIA GO2 is a great product for presenting to a display, but in these times where it's important to keep apart from each other, it's particularly useful. Now you quite often find in a business environment that you want to share your screen with a colleague, so they might come and look over your shoulder, but clearly you can't do that these days. So now you have to find another display that you can both share your screens to, and that's what we're going to show today. The key thing about the VIA GO2 is that you connect to it completely wirelessly. There's no need to touch a dongle or a cable to plug into your device. You just take your device and connect wirelessly to the VIA GO2, whether it's a laptop, a phone or a tablet.
I'm now going to connect to the VIA GO2. I'm going to do it using the VIA app that I've already got installed on my device. So I'm going to open the app, and when I open it, it gives me an option to get started, and then I have to enter the room name. Now the room name's up on the display. In our case here it's training room. I click join. Then it's going to ask me for the room code, which is up on the display. The room code does change periodically. And once I've joined, I then have to just click the green button here, and I'm displaying on the screen.
I'm going to join as if I'm a visitor to the company. I don't have the app installed, so I'm going to use one of the clientless options for connecting to the VIA. The one that I'm going to use now is using the web browser. So I enter the room name into my browser, and then I click join through browser. The VIA automatically knows the room that I'm now connected to and my nickname. So I click login, and then I wait to be asked for the room number, which is 1141, and then I log in. And now I can present my screen. I get the option to display my entire screen, or say a particular tab, which I'm going to choose, and then I share what I want to share on screen.
I'm still logged in with the VIA app, so I can just click on the green button, and now what's going to happen is I'll appear on the screen alongside Nick. If I now want to make myself full screen and push Nick off of the display, then I can click the button and that happens for me. So I'm now going to connect with my Android phone. All I do is unlock it, hover it near the NFC tag in the middle of the desk, and this will now automatically connect to the device. And I'm up on the screen. Now I'm going to mirror my iPad using AirPlay. I swipe down from the top, I choose screen mirroring, and then I choose the device I want to connect to. Because I've already entered the room codes, it takes me straight in. But if I hadn't done that, then it would have come up with a 4-digit code which is displayed on the screen there.
Now I, as a visitor, want to show something from my phone, and I'm going to use Miracast on my Android phone to connect to the display. Everybody works in a slightly different way with their Android apps, but I'm asked to type in the required PIN, which I'm going to do, and accept that. Now I'm connected. I can choose an image on my phone to show to my colleagues. A great feature of the VIA GO2 is the multimedia function. This allows us to play really smooth, high-definition video at 1080p, as Mark is about to demonstrate. For more information on the Kramer VIA range, please visit our website. Here you can find details of the features of the products and compare them. Thank you for watching.